Hello everyone. So this is Ashlesh here, and today we're going to be looking at what all cards are in this game, Unstable Unicorns. So let's just open it up and we'll check everything. I'm opening it. So we have a rule book. I don't know where I've kept it now. And next, first let's see. 1 minute. Yes. So we have, this is the instruction card, where this is just like instant instructions, where if you forget or if you want to know what the words means in this games, you can check it out. And there are 8 of these. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And then we have baby unicorns. This is a unicorn game. It's called Unstable Unicorns. So we have also baby unicorns, basic unicorns, and other unicorns. I will tell you. So first we'll check the baby unicorns. We have many baby unicorns of different colors. And one baby narwhal. Others are all baby unicorns in different colors. So we have 13 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. One card is missing, I think. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, okay, 13 is there. Sorry. I didn't count properly. Next, we'll take this and we'll check out. First, we're going to check out all the basic unicorns. Here, one basic unicorn and one more basic unicorn, a basic narwhal, basic unicorn, basic unicorn, and we have more basic unicorns here right away. Basic unicorn. So these are the basic unicorns. There are more of them. Also, by the way, so baby unicorns have different colors in the back side than all the other cards, which have black color. These have white color. Okay, so let's continue the basic unicorns. So there are almost so these are all the basic unicorns. 3 of each color. 3 of red, 3 of yellow, 3 of purple, and a different purple 3, a different yellow 3, 3 greens and 3 blues, and 1 baby narwhal. So these are the basic unicorns. So we have 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 15, 18, 21. So we have 22 basic unicorns. Okay. So we have completed baby unicorns and basic unicorns. Next, let's go to the instant cards. So instant cards, there are different instant cards. So there's only 2 instant cards for. This is the base set, by the way. So there is Nei. The Nei means play this card on any player plays to play a card. Stop that player's card coming into play and send it to the discard pile instead. So there are many of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 14 nays. And there's one super nay. Play this card on any trade tries to play a card. Stop that player's card from coming into play and send it to the discard pile instead. Same thing as nay, but this card cannot be nay. So basically, when we play nay, and if another player has nay, they can also play on top of it. But when you play super nay, no one can play nay on top of that. So super nay is that way effective. So we finished instant cards. Next, let's move on to the extra time. Let's move on to the upgrade cards. So we have extra tail. Play this. If you must have a basic unicorn in your stable to order to play this card. This card is in your stable at the beginning of your turn. you may draw an extra card. So there are 3 of these. Next, Rainbow Maid. You must have a basic unicorn in your stable in order to play this card. If this card is stable at the beginning of your turn, you may bring a basic unicorn from your hand directly into your stable. So that we have 1, 2, 3. Then, this is one of my favorite cards, favorite upgrade cards. Unicorn Lasso. This card is stable at the beginning of your turn. You may move a unicorn from any place stable to your stable. At the end of your turn, move the unicorn back to the original stable. Okay. We only have one of that. Then this also this is one of my favorite upgrade cards. Yay! As long as cards in the stable, the cards you play cannot be named. So we have 2 of those. Then we have one Double Dutch. If the card is stable at the beginning of your turn, you may play 2 cards during your turn instead of 1. Then we have this upgrade card, Rainbow Aura. As long as this card is in the stable, your unicorns cannot be destroyed. Then we have Glitter Bomb. If the card is stable at the beginning of your turn, you may sacrifice a card and then destroy a card. We have 2 of those. Then we have this last card, which is Summoning Ritual. This card is stable at the beginning of your turn. You may discard 2 unicorns and bring a unicorn directly into your stable from the discard pile. So these are all the upgrade cards. Let's count how many upgrade cards are there. So we have 14 upgrade cards. Next, let's move on to the downgrade cards. So first, I will show Sadistic Ritual. This card is stable at the beginning of your turn. Sacrifice unicorn, then draw an extra card. Downgrade card. Barbed Wire. As long as this card is in the stable, you must discard a card each time unicorn enters or leaves your stable. Slow Down. As long as this card is in the stable, you cannot play any instant cards. Broken Stable. As long as this card is in your stable, you cannot play any upgrade cards. Nanny Cam. As long as this card is in your stable, you must play with your hand visible to all players. Tiny Stables. As long as this card is in your stable, you can only have 5 unicorns in your stable. Pandemonium. As long as this card is in your stable, all of your unicorns are considered as pandas, not unicorns. Cards that affect pandas do not affect unicorns. Blinding Light. As long as this card is in your stable, your unicorn card effects cannot be activated. So we have totally 8 upgrade cards. Yeah, next we have this Unstable Unicorns rulebook. So let's check it out. Yeah, this everything. By the way, the next video, this is the first video. Second part of this video, I'll also be uploading a video on how to play this game and everything. Yeah, how to play this game. Basically, how to play this game, I'll be teaching in the next video. So this is the rule book. Next. So next we'll move on to magic cards. Magic cards with a star on it. Okay. So I'll start with my magic card. Okay. So first card is Targeted Destruction. Sacrifice or destroy an upgrade or downgrade card. Shake Up. Shuffle this card your hand and then discard pile back into the deck. Then draw 5 cards. Blatant Thievery. Look at any player's hand. Take a card of your choice and add it to your hand. 2 for 1. Sacrifice a card and then destroy 2 cards. So there are 2 of those. Glitter Tornado. Return a card in each place stable to the player's hand. There's one more of that. Unicorn Swap. Trade a unicorn in your stable for a unicorn in any place stable. There are 2 of those. Unicorn Shrink Ray. Replace all unicorns in any place stable with baby unicorns from the nursery. All of the replaced unicorns go to the discard pile. Reset Button. Each player must sacrifice all their upgrade or downgrade cards. Shove the discard pile back into the deck. Mystical Vortex. Each player must discard a card. Shuffle the discard pile back into the deck. Retarget. Move an upgrade or downgrade card from any place table to another place table. There are 2 of those. Change of luck. Draw 2 cards and then discard 3 cards and take another turn. There are 2 of those. Unicorn poison. Destroy unicorn. 3 of those. Back kick. Return a card in any place table to that player's hand. That player must then discard a card. 3 of those. Good deal. Draw 3 cards and discard a card. Unfair bargain. Trade hands with any player. There are 2 of those. So these are all the magic cards. So totally we have 25 magic cards. And next we are going to move on to the magical unicorns. Yup. So first, greedy flying unicorn. When this card enters the table, draw a card. If this card is sacrificed or destroyed, return it to your hand. Extremely destructive. When this card enters the table, each player must sacrifice a unicorn. American. When this card enters the table, you may take a card from random from any place hand and add it to your hand. Extremely fertile unicorn. This is one of my favorite unicorns. This card is tabled at the beginning of your turn. You may discard a card. If you do, bring a baby unicorn directly into your stable from the nursery. Magical kitten card. As long as the card is stable, it cannot be destroyed or affected by magic cards. Shark with a horn. When this card enters the table, you may destroy a unicorn. If you do, sacrifice this card. Majestic flying unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may choose a unicorn from the discard pile and add it to your hand. If this card is sacrificed or destroyed, return it to your hand. Shabby the Narwhal. When this card enters the table, you may search the deck for downgrade card. Add it to your hand and then shuffle the deck. Magical flying unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may choose a magic card from the discard pile and add it to your hand. If this card is sacrificed or destroyed, return it to your hand. Queen Bee unicorn. As long as this card is stable, no other players can play basic unicorns. Unicorn on the cob. When this card enters the table, draw 2 cards and then discard a card. Mermaid unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may return a card in any place table to that player's hand. Ginormous unicorn. This card counts as 2 unicorns in your stable. As long as this card is in your stable, you cannot play an instant card. I also like this unicorn. Puppy card. At the end of your turn, move the puppy card to the stable on the player on your left. This card cannot be sacrificed or destroyed. Classy Narwhal. When this card enters the table, you may search the deck for an upgrade card. Add it to your hand and shuffle the deck. Rainbow unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may also bring a basic unicorn directly into your stable from the hand. Stabby the unicorn. When this card enters, if this card is sacrificed or destroyed, you may destroy a unicorn. Chainsaw unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may sacrifice or destroy an upgrade or downgrade card. Lamacon. When this card enters the table, each player must discard a card. Shuffle the discard pile back into the deck. Unicorn Phoenix. This is one of my favorite cards also. Favorite unicorns. When this card enters the table, discard a card. If this card is sacrificed or destroyed, bring it directly back into your stable. If you are unable to discard a card, this card is destroyed. The Great Narwhal. When this card enters the table, you may search the deck with the card with the narwhal in its tail. Add it to your hand and then shuffle the deck. Swift Flying Unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may choose an instant card from the discard pile and add it to your hand. If this card is sacrificed or destroyed, return it to your hand. Rhinocorn. When this card enters, if this card is stable at the beginning of your turn, you may destroy a unicorn then end your turn immediately. Black Knight Unicorn. If one of your unicorns will be destroyed, you may sacrifice this card instead. Yeah, also Swift Flying Unicorn is one of my favorite unicorns. Then this is also one of my favorite unicorns. Selective Unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may move a unicorn from any place table to your stable. If this card leaves the table, move the unicorn back to its original stable. Annoying Flying Unicorn. When this card enters the table, you may choose any player. That player must discard a card. If this card is sacrificed or destroyed, return it to your hand. Alluring Narwhal. When this card enters the table, you may move an upgrade card from any place table to your stable. Narwhal Torpedo. When this card enters the table, sacrifice all downgrade cards in your stable. Zombie Unicorn. If the card is stable at the beginning of your turn, you may discard a unicorn. If you do, choose a unicorn from the discard pile and add it to your hand. And bring it directly into your stable. Then end your turn immediately. I also like the Zombie Unicorn very much. Then last, Angel Unicorn. If this card is stable at the beginning of your turn, you may sacrifice it. If you do, choose a unicorn from the discard pile and bring it directly into your stable. So that is all the magical unicorns. So totally we have 30 magical unicorns. So these are all the cards in the Unstable Unicorns game. Baby Unicorn, Basic Unicorn, Magic cards, Upgrade cards, Downgrade cards, Instant cards, and Magical Unicorns. And these are the instant rule cards, rule book, and the box. So totally in this game, we have 1 minute. Here, 1 minute. Can you see? Totally we have 135 cards and a rule book in this Unstable Unicorns game. Build a unicorn army. So go ahead, buy this and build a unicorn army. Betray your friends, and unicorns are your friends now. This game can be played 2 to 8 players. This game takes 30 to 45 minutes. Age is 14 plus, but it actually doesn't matter. It can still be played by younger age. It's just little difficult to understand for some people. Then inside we have some unicorn pictures. Here we have some unicorn pictures. Here we have some unicorn pictures. Here also we have some unicorn pictures. Unstable Unicorns, a strategic card game about your two favorite things, unicorns and destructions. Yup. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And also I hope you liked how I explain all the cards. For sure in the next video I will be teaching you how to play this game. Then in the next video after that, I think so I'll also be showing you a game which I am going to play with my family or my friends. I'll be recording that so that you'll get an idea. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.